Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Fiat 500. If you guys have a Fiat 500 and you want to find the fuses for the powertrain, for the engine computer and the transmission, guys, stay with us, we'll explain where they're located. Powertrain is anything that moves the car, practically engine, transmission, assembly, guys. Now, we'll explain why it's super important to test the fuse, so make sure you stand till the end as well. So before we start guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. If you want to see any specific videos on Fiat 500, leave a comment below, that way we can get an idea, and if we have time we'll try to make a video for your specific problem. If you need to buy any parts, tools, you want to save quite a bit of money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from as well. Specifically, we have a 2015 Fiat 500 that we'll demonstrate on, but even if you have a different year, the procedure may be the same. We have a Abarth, but if you have a non-Abarth, okay, it should apply as well. So what do we have specifically here, guys? If you come next to the car battery, the main fuse box is right here. This is the fuse box. You can see it says fuse and relay box. You remove that bolt right here and you can just go ahead, okay, pull the lid off, okay, just like that. When you pull it up, guys, okay, you'll see your fuses and relays located here. Now, always test the fuses when you remove them to make sure that actually that's the problem, guys, because sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, and if you put it back in, you'll start wasting time and money to fix your problem. So always, guys, test the fuses. I'll put a link to a special video that will explain how to test the fuse in the description of the video below, so please check it out, okay, for your convenience. Hopefully it will save you some headache. Now, when you remove the lid cover, good news, okay, the fuse numbers are listed on the back. Bad news, they're not in order, and also they don't say what they're for. So the first fuse, guys, okay, that we will need to check in our case, guys, okay, for the powertrain, you can see they go completely out of order, guys. There is nothing, okay, in order, okay, on those fuses, okay, right here. Everything, okay, is just for instance, this is F07, F01, F04, and they keep going that way. So the first fuse that we need to check, guys, will be F09 right here. So if you go from top to bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Fuse number 9 from top to bottom. Even if you're missing a spot, you count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That 10M fuse, that's the fuse, okay, for the powertrain. Then we have another fuse, guys, which is known as fuse number 17. Fuse number 17 is located right here. We're talking about that 15M fuse. Also, we have fuse number 11, which is right here, okay, and that will be the fuse right there. Next fuse will be fuse number 22, right here. This is number 22, this one. So these three fuses are the one for the powertrain control module. This one here, and then we have one more, which is fuse number 18. This one will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fuse number 5 from top to bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That 5M fuse right here is for the powertrain as well. If you have problems with the engine, ECU, transmission control module, anything like that, check these fuses. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.